Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best 5-channel marine grade amplifier you can get your hands on, the Rockville DBM50. Whether you're out on the lake or powering through salty ocean waters, this amplifier is built to transform your boat into a floating concert stage. Let's dive right into what makes the Rockville DBM50 a powerhouse in marine audio. First up, performance. This beast delivers a massive 4,000 watts of peak power and a solid 980 watts RMS across 5 channels. Channels 1 through 4 are full range, pushing out 120 watts each at 2 ohms, while the 5th channel is dedicated to the subwoofer, driving a clean 500 watts at 2 ohms. That means crisp highs, punchy mids, and deep, booming bass, no distortion, even at high volumes. It's built to make your marine audio system truly sing. But great power is nothing without durability, and Rockville knows marine gear has to battle the elements. That's why the DBM50 comes with an IPX6 waterproof rating. It can withstand heavy splashes and direct high-pressure water jets from any direction. The exterior features a rust-proof aluminum heatsink, stainless steel hardware, and a conformal-coated PCB, making this amp a tank for both saltwater and freshwater environments. Let's talk about control. The Rockville DBM50 gives you complete flexibility when tuning your system. It features a fully adjustable 12 decibels octave crossover, supporting low pass, high pass, band pass, and subsonic filters. That means you can dial in the perfect sound for your setup, whether you're running full-range speakers, mid-range drivers, or a dedicated subwoofer channel. It's all about that custom sound tailored to your vibe on the water. Now here's something that sets it apart even more. It includes a PA microphone. That's right, this amp lets you make onboard announcements. Whether you're giving safety instructions, calling out wakeboarders, or just hyping up your crew for the next song, the included PA mic adds an entirely new layer of functionality. And if you're a bass lover, there's a dedicated remote subwoofer control. That gives you fingertip control over your low end without diving back into the system settings. In terms of tech, this amplifier blends 2 amplifier classes for optimal efficiency. Channels 1 through 4 operate on Class AB technology, which is known for its clean and detailed output. Channel 5, the subwoofer, uses Class D, offering higher efficiency and reduced power drain. Whether you're starting a fresh install or upgrading an existing system, this amp is designed to integrate seamlessly into a variety of setups. Now, a quick heads up. At the time of this video, the Rockville DBM50 is currently unavailable on Amazon, and there's no word yet on restock. So keep an eye out if you're looking to grab one for your next build. To wrap it up, the Rockville DBM50 is more than just an amplifier. It's a marine audio solution built for power, durability, and flexibility. From its rugged waterproof design to its massive output and customizable audio controls, this is a top-tier choice for any boat owner looking to elevate their sound system. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews on the best gear out there. We'll see you next time.